Hi students, कैसे हो आप लोग? How are you? Myself Kobi Croy and your mathematics teacher. So this video is for actually for discussing about a new announced topic, and that is class 12th board exams. Different state board actually they have announced that they are supposed to take the 12th exam after some time, but they have given one actually news that one information that a particular 12th class students, science students, that they can choose. That means you can choose any 3 subjects. Okay, so how much it is fruitful I don't know, because as a teacher I will not support these things, because 3 subject choose karna, it is very difficult for a student. So what to do? Because of this pandemic situations, everyone is bound to take such kind of steps which may be not useful or which may be not the fruitful things for the better future. So what to do? We have to follow these instructions. So as a student, as a science students, we always should remember these things, that whatever we do in present, the impact will be imposed on your future as well. Okay, so just before taking any kind of decision, just try to actually think about the better future, think about the future, because as a science students we all have some dreams, some aim to be completed, and actually your parents I think they had also some kind of dreams on you, and as a student, as a son, as a as a science student, you need to fulfill everyone's dream, okay, including your dream also. So before taking any decisions, just try to actually set the aim or goal, and on the basis of your aim and goal, you need to take the decisions. You need to choose the 3 subjects as well. Okay? So and as my concern, that a student should choose that kind of subjects which is scoring, which is useful in future as well, and actually which is very important for facing the competitive exams also. Okay, JEE exams, then NEET exams, then different types of competitive exams are there in this education system. So before taking any decisions, try to think about this properly, very religiously also. Okay, so as a teacher, I can give you the suggestion that you can choose actually maths. I think if you are comfortable in maths, then you should choose maths as well, because maths is very scoring subject. In other subjects, chemistry, bio, and then physics, you can't actually score that kind of marks which can be achieved in mathematics subject as well. Okay, so if you have the proper confidence in maths, then you should choose this maths first. Okay, then if you have the NEET aspirant, then you should choose chemistry and bio. Okay, physics, chemistry and bio. Okay, because in this MD studies, I think you need to have this chemistry and biology subject as well, and this maths will help to score actually very good marks, okay, in this board exams. If you are a JEE aspirant, then you should choose physics, maths and chemistry, okay, because PCM code. So that means it is just my suggestion, my advice. You can treat it as my advice also, that for your well-being, for your better future, just I am giving the suggestions. That means which type of subjects, which type of combination that you can choose for this final exam. Okay, because you need to think about your percentage as well as for your future. Okay, and that's why I am giving these combinations. Okay, but I'm very much worried about some students are thinking to take the literature subjects, English only, and this, because as a science students you can't think like that, no? Because as a science students, the 12th final exam is not the ultimate thing. You need to face something in your nearest future also. As a science students, every time just we will have to we'll have to fight, we'll have to strive against the motion always, because the time will never be never be in favor of us. Okay, so we'll have to fight, we'll have to strive, because we born for striving actually. Okay, as a science students, I have felt these things. Every time just we'll have to face the problems, you will have to confront various kind of hurdles in your life. So we need to overcome these hurdles. Okay, that means that now the question is, how can I overcome these hurdles? For that you need to take the proper decision in your life. Okay, so as a teacher, as a well-wisher of your future, I can give you this advice. Okay, so just try to choose these 3 subjects very properly, and before choosing these 3 subjects, try to remember that you are not for this 12th exam. So you need to face various things in your nearest future. Okay, so whenever you will face the compassings, you may face various kind of problems on your subject combinations. So before choosing this subject, try to think about that. Okay, so यही just there is this thing actually, just I need to forward it. Okay, so thank you very much. And if you have any problems in maths, if you have the less confidence in maths, consult with me. I am here. I will give you the suggestions how can you improve your mathematical ability. Okay, so thank you very much for joining my classes and for your support as well. Bye and Jai Hind.